These are tip-up mounds that we intentionally created silviculturally because we're trying to restore some of these old forest characteristics. So let me show you some of the things that this is providing. It's providing unique regeneration sites for tree species that we really care about, like yellow birch and hemlock, which are able to regenerate up here on these tip-up mounds. The tip-ups provide unique microsites and habitats for other species like winter wren, which is a bird that likes to excavate its nests in the roots and the mud here. And let me take you up here and I'm going to show you one other really cool thing about tip-up mounds, which is a tip-up mound that we created that's leaning over a little bit. And we know that black bear will excavate their dens in the winter underneath these tip-up mounds, particularly where they form a little bit of a snow cave that the bears can hibernate under. So that's pretty neat. And then I wanted to talk a little bit about carbon and the particular role that these old forests play in mitigating climate change. This is something that we've only learned about in recent years. We now appreciate that older forests not only store very, very large volumes of carbon that would otherwise be in the atmosphere as a greenhouse gas, but they're also continuing to take up carbon actively from the atmosphere for much longer time periods than we used to think. So there's now a global appreciation of temperate old growth forests in terms of their role fighting climate change.